Hello friends, today we will discuss some question on Forest Amendment Bill 2023 passed by Lok Sabha. The first question is when was the Conservation Amendment Bill 2023 passed by the Lok Sabha? तो आपको बताना है, you have to tell me which is the right option here, right? So tell me the answer. What is the right option here? 24th July or 26th July 2023 or 28th July. So the right option is here is what? Tell me. The right option is 26th July 2023. So this is the right option. Okay. The second question, who moved the Forest Conservation Bill 2023 in the Lok Sabha? तो किसने ये किया था? श्री भूपेंद्र यादव. Who is the भूपेंद्र यादव? फॉरेस्ट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन इन्वायरमेंट. ठीक है. उसके बाद आपका है थर्ड नंबर क्वेश्चन आएगा, व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन एक्ट 1980. तो आपको पता है अभी हमारे पास जो फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन एक्ट है वो 1980s का है. सो उसको अमेंड करने के लिए हमारे यहाँ बिल पास हुआ है. तो व्हाट वाज द ऑब्जेक्टिव? टू कंजर्व फॉरेस्ट एंड देयर बायोडाइवर्सिटी. दिस इज द आंसर, राइट? सो दिस थर्ड क्वेश्चन एंड नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, व्हाई वाज देयर ए नीड ऑफ अमेंडमेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन एक्ट? सो व्हाई वी नीड द कंजर्वेशन एक्ट? So the option you can read. What is the option? To big the forest reduction measure, to reduce the role of the central government in the forest management, to address new challenges in ecological, social and environmental development, to increase ambiguity in the applicability of the act. So what is the answer? Answer is here C. To address new challenges in the ecological, social and environmental development. सो अमेंड करने का क्या ज़रूरत पड़ रहा है? बिकॉज 1980 यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 33 ईयर्स. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस 33 ईयर्स आवर नीड, आवर इकोलॉजिकल सिस्टम, सोशल सिस्टम, इन्वायरमेंट हैज़ changed a lot. So according to the new scenario, we need to change the law or the act. The next question is, what challenges have emerged at the national and international level regarding ecological, social and environmental development? So you are seeing so many floods and natural disaster across the globe, and even in our India also. You saw the Delhi floods recently and Himachal Pradesh floods. Okay, so what is the answer? So answer here is the challenges related to the mitigating the impact of climate change. So these days we are watching, we can see a lot of climate change across near us. Okay, so the places where we need water, there is no water, like drought situation is there, like in the northern eastern part of UP and the Bihar, Jharkhand and some part of Odisha and West Bengal also. And these are the rain fed area where ample rain was happening in the previous time and people used to do farming. But now these days the rain is happening not here but somewhere else where we don't need, and plus flooding type of things is happening nowadays. So these are the problem of the climate change. So that's why we need to change our laws. The next question is, what exemption has been included in the bill फॉर सर्टेन प्रोजेक्ट्स? सो कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए? तो ऑब्वियसली द एग्जाम्पशन फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट फॉर द नेशनल सिक्योरिटी नियर इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर्स. सो बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग ए लार्ज इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर सराउंडेड विद पाकिस्तान एंड चाइना, यू नो द सिचुएशन विद द पाकिस्तान एंड चाइना. So for the national security region, we need to develop what? We need to develop our borders. So border development areas near to the border is exempted from this new bill. Got it? Because if it is included in the bill, the border area will be what can I say, we cannot use star development there, and that will hamper our national security, right? The next question is what are the new activity included as forestry activity in the bill? So आपका आंसर इसका है माइनिंग एक्टिविटी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर द फ्रंट लाइन फॉर स्टाफ, इंडस्ट्रियल कंस्ट्रक्शन और वाइल्ड ड्रिलिंग. सो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर फ्रंट लाइन फॉरेस्ट स्टाफ. तो फॉरेस्ट स्टाफ, वाई वी नीड फॉरेस्ट स्टाफ? बिकॉज फॉरेस्ट we need to protect our forest, as well as we have to increase our forest area. So that's why we need human resource to develop and to protect our forest resources. So that why these activities has been included in the bill, right? Next question, how will the amendments help in achieving the national determined contribution target related to carbon sinks? So you know, carbon sinks, there are things like forest is one of the carbon sink, sea, samudra is also one of the carbon sink. So when we are changing our environmental protection law, it will reduce the forest cover, and that will hamper our carbon sink capacity. So the question answer here is, what happen, we need development project. For that we need what? We need area, and that will reduce our forest cover, and that will leads to the decrease in the carbon sink. Okay, so that's why we need to by increasing afforestation and plantation of trees outside the forest areas, so that we can have our plant across. And the next question here is, how will the bill facilitate better management of forest and improve productivity? So the answer is by increasing what is the answer? By strengthening the regulatory mechanism and promoting afforestation. So this day the problem is deforestation, right? Deforestation, that means cutting of the trees or cutting of the forest, that is the problem. So we need to tackle that problem. That's why we have to strengthen the regulatory mechanism and promoting afforestation, not only in the forest but outside the forest, that we have discussed in the previous question, right? And the next question is, how does the amendment aim to provide livelihood opportunity for the local communities and generate awareness about forest protection and conservation? By promoting ecotourism and wildlife conservation, right? So question is, when we promote ecotourism or wildlife conservation, definitely wildlife conservation is the backbone of the promoting ecotourism, one of the component, because people coming from to the forest, right, and what to see the wildlife. Okay, so if we have more diverse wildlife in our forest, then we can develop our ecotourism. Like we can say ecotourism, wildlife is one of the pillar, one of the component of the ecotourism, right? So we have discussed 10 question here, and that is what can I say, here is the 10 question about the forest amendment bill 2023 that was presented in the Lok Sabha on 26th July 2023. So that is the today's presentation, and thank you for watching. And for more content, actually this channel, or you can say this playlist is for upcoming NABARD exam. So if you want to learn something like related to NABARD exam, be it ARD or any other subject, you can just subscribe to the channel and go to the playlist. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.